What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. New iPhone 11, new cases. And I picked this up. It's by ZVEdeng. Hopefully it's the right one for my phone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. How do you get this out? Oh, it's not as simple as I thought. Whatever. And get the case out. Hell or high water. And here is the case. Now, what's interesting about this, I'm going to just eyeball it here. It looks like we got the right thing for the Pro Max, is that it has a leather-like material. I think this is an imitation, a PU type of leather, and you can see it's got a nice hide texture. And then we have a little bit of a matte, textured plastic all the way around. It's pretty thick. And then a microfiber ZVEdeng in there. Little bumper corners for impact absorption, cutouts along the bottom, molded in buttons here, cut out for the mute button and molded in power button. And then the big cutout there for the 11. But then what makes this thing interesting is that this little piece right here looks like it's metal in here, a couple metal pieces and a magnet, because it seems to hold its place in there and snap into place. But you can pull this out and use it kind of to secure your phone, or you can pull it out like this as either a stand, I don't know if it'll sit like this, might, or like this. And so, just like that. So it's a kickstand. All right, so how easily is this thing installed? I'm just gonna push it in here, manhandle. Oh, just like that, goes right in there. The lip is maybe just slightly higher than the screen, so there's a little bit of protection there. You can see we've got cutouts here. Give me a nice space for the lightning cable. Everything here. Easy to get to this switch. Does the power button work? Yep, no problems there. And then, like I said, you get this handle, which is kind of nice, especially if you're on the move a lot and you want to make sure you're not dropping your phone. I can get all 4 fingers in there. I don't want to stretch it or bend it out. But then if I push this down like this, must be a metal piece in there. It kind of sticks to that magnet, but you kind of want to hold it in place and then put it down like that. What up? And now I could watch movies, videos. Could be a really nice way to make this usable on your desk or an airplane or a trip, so that you don't have to take a separate, kickstand or manufacturer one. So that's kind of nice. I really dig that. This is a pretty nice little piece. It feels good in the hand. It's not as grippy on the sides as it could be. Makes me feel like it's a little slippery, but it's kind of nice looking. That black goes with everything. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.